Welcome to the Thermal Spray Intelligence Platform, augmented intelligence for thermal sprayers. Organizing research data and defining traceability is a great challenge in advanced manufacturing processes. Thermal spray processes can do additive manufacturing at high deposition rates, but how do we produce quality materials with advanced manufacturing processes when there is little or none experience? The Thermal Spray Intelligence Platform brings a solution to this problem. It lets you document your production process, optimize your process with AI technologies, and access your data everywhere. The platform has an intuitive mobile-ready interface where several thermal spray technologies are supported. You can store your spraying recipes and link them to your sprayed parts, powders, and characterization results. You can group your data with the provided tagging system for fast search and projects organization. You can access your data really fast using the responsive query system provided in the platform. You can take notes about your powders, substrates, characterization results, and spraying operations for reports and knowledge persistence. The platform lets you understand the effect of your process parameters on the deposited material properties using state-of-the-art AI technologies. This is useful for optimization of a single or multiple properties and smart decision making. Create your free account and join us in this challenge to accelerate the development of novel thermal spray applications. Thermal Spray Intelligence Platform, augmented intelligence for thermal sprayers.